Hey guys, I'm Ashley, and this is Elsa, and today we're going to show you how to make some money with your Glowforge laser cutter on chip builds.
Now this first step is optional. I just like to put painter's tape over the whole piece of material, just that way there's less burn marks and it looks cleaner once you finish the design. Next, open the lid and place your material inside the laser. Now that the wood is all prepared, we're going to go into the Glowforge software and get it all set up. So I'm not using proof grade materials for this project, so what you're going to need to do is define what material you are using. Now I know that my material is the same as the thick maple plywood proof grade material, so that's what I've chosen. You can also enter these manually if that's easier for you, but I already know what my settings were similar to that proof grade material, so it's just going to make everything easier by choosing that. Next, you want to upload your artwork, so you just go to the Add Artwork button, click Upload, and then it will show all the different files on your computer. So I chose the Coaster SVG, and then depending on how fast your internet is, it's going to determine how long it takes to load your design into the online software. Once it imports, you can move it around a bit, but since it's over the tape, I'm just going to leave it where it is, but you normally want to optimize the space of the material. So the outside circle is going to be set to a proof grade cut, which is just going to cut all the way through. And because we've chosen those proof grade settings, it already knows the thickness, so it's going to do what it needs to do to cut through that thickness. Next, we're going to go to the engraving portion of it, and it's already preset, but in the past when I've tried this, it's a little too deep and too dark. So I've made a custom preset based off of the proof grade settings, and I've just lowered the power a little bit and the speed, just so it's not quite as dark or as deep. So you can play around with these settings till you get what you like. Now we can click the print button and it's going to determine how long it's going to take, so it needs to load, and then it will tell you when you can hit the start button. Once the light is flashing on the Glowforge laser, you can press it and it will start your print. One of the nice things about the Glowforge laser with the camera up top, it's very easy to tile your design so that you can get the maximum amount of coasters out of the material that you have. Once the coasters are all cut out, you can remove the tape, do light sanding, and then hit it with some spray lacquer to protect it from any moisture that the drinks could leave behind.
Okay, so coasters are not the only thing that I've used the Glowforge laser to make money with. There's so many other things. I'm just talking about coasters specifically because that's what I've made the most money on, and I've made hundreds of dollars just making simple coasters. Just people love them and they can't get enough of them, and it's really a quick and easy project for you to do with the laser.